classes and school of studies. Today we are gonna learn about coding. So what basically is coding? Suppose whenever you think about a computer or laptop, you would think this is unimaginable that if you give any program, the computer will type, and you think it contains a very long and hard connections. But today I'm going to tell you what codes do we keep in a computer. When you learn coding, then you will think making a computer is a easy game. So today I made a coding video. So I will explain you how to do easy coding, and I will teach you how to do coding. So first, Google gives us applications to learn coding, but specifically, there are so many coding languages. So, our first coding language is Python. Okay, so Google offers free applications to learn Python. So, as you can see, what application is this? Yes, this is Scratch. Okay, it is a block based Python coding. Okay, it has simple language blocks which are converted into blocks, but these contain a very huge Python code. Okay, so I will tell you the elements of Scratch. So here you can see this is the stage. Okay, here whatever Python code you will keep, it will work. And you can see this character. This is known as the sprite. Okay, and this is add choose a sprite or add a sprite and add a backdrop or choose a backdrop. So these are there, and we have your core costumes. If you want to change, suppose I want to move his head up, I need to move. So, and here are the sounds you can make. So this is the block script and this is the blocks panel. Okay, in the block script we keep all the blocks here, and the blocks panel we take out all the blocks. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to do simple programs with Scratch. So let's take. So this is our sprite, okay, and we want to move it back and front, okay. So we have to introduce you motion block. So what is basically motion block? The motion block is used to control the movements of the sprite. You can see this. This is sprite one. You can see here. You can change the name also by typing here. I want to keep its name cat. Okay. Oh, okay. So now let's go with moving front or back. So first, keep it keep here. Move 10 steps. You can see here. Okay. If you click, the sprite will move 10 steps. Okay. So this will happen. The sprite will move 10 steps. But what if you change it to minus 10 steps? So now we will see. You can see it came to normal position. Okay. So these are the places X, this is Y, and this is X. So X and Y will change. If we keep minus 10, this will automatically add to minus 10. Again, minus 20. Then again, minus 30. If we keep 10 steps, keep like this. Okay? So you got it? So this is how to control. So now we have just guessed how to move 10 front and back. Now let's go with the advanced blocks. Okay? So let's remove this. So you can see here change x by, change y by, change x. I told you what is change x. Change x is the side by side breadth of the stage, and y is the breadth of the stage. Okay. So what it will do, it will move the sprite whatever we tell. Okay. So it's telling that move x by 10. So tell it to, we are telling it to move front by 10. Okay. And if we keep change x by minus 10, then it will go back. Okay. So this is how. And we have one more block that is set to x. Okay. Set x2. You can see this. This is just set x2. So right now it's minus 1. If we change it to 0, it will move little bit and change. Okay. So now let's change it. Suppose I will keep it here. Okay. Now we take set x to 0 and then set y to 0. Now let's see. We have to click here and it came to its normal middle of the stage. Okay, understood how to change the sprite position by these 5 blocks. So now let's go with the next look. So whenever you go somewhere, you just ask about what is the look of her, what is the look of him. So in the scratch also, we have the look of our sprite. Okay, so we can change the look of our sprite by switching the costume. But what you might be wondering, what is costume? See, this is costume. This is costume one of the sprite and costume two of this cat. Okay, so got it. So now we will ask this computer to change the costume of this cat. So you can see this next costume. If you click here and click on this, it will come to its normal costume. Got it? But we can change the size of the sprite by clicking here also. But if you don't want to click here, you have to want to do it between the execution. See, you can do this. You can see this change size by 10 or set size to 100%. So we keep it here, change size to 10. This is 100 right now. So if we keep it here, so we will write here, what should we write? Let's write 500. Okay. And now we will just click on this. See, the sprite size has increased. Okay. So guys, you got it. Now we got go with the sound. As I told you what is sound, it will give the sound. Suppose we can take recording also. Record. Okay, now let's go with the events. So I think guys, it's enough for today, and I will see you in the next video. And bye guys.